Imagine you're an Indian student in the US on an OPT. Your H-1B gets approved and you're all set to start a new job. And then suddenly, your OPT gets terminated. Your visa vanishes and you're no longer on a legal status, all because of paperwork delay. Sounds like a nightmare. Well, for one Indian student, this became the reality. A recent Reddit post by an Indian student on F1 OPT has sent shockwaves through the immigrant community abroad. The story, their OPT, when automatically terminated, was that H-1B petition was withdrawn before it even started. Yes, before October 1st, the official start date, their employer withdrew the H-1B, but because USCIS didn't confirm the withdrawal in the time. The system still auto-activated the H-1B and cancelled their F1 status in the SEVIS. One click in the system and their legal status was gone. The student's company filed a withdrawal request on the H-1B in the early September. But on October 1st, the SEVP system automatically switched from F1 to H-1B status. And as per the approval petition, since USCIS hadn't yet issued the confirmation of withdrawal, SEVIS marked the student's record as terminated. 3 days later, on October 4th, the USCIS portal finally showed H-1B cancellation. But then it was too late. The SEVIS termination had already happened. The student couldn't even request to help from the DSO because, get this, the school needs the official USCIS withdrawal letter. To fix the record, this isn't just one unlucky case, it exposes a major flaw in the US immigration system. Thousands of international students move from OPT to H-1B every year. And many face job changes, withdrawals before October 1st. If USCIS delays the paperwork, even by a few days, your status can vanish automatically. One expert immigration attorney, Adesh Nandal, explained that the issue stems from the automatic activation. The system flips H-1B mode even if your employer has already withdrawn the petition. So basically, you can lose your legal status without no fault of your own. And the only fix? First, get a written withdrawal confirmation from USCIS. Then, your designated school official can request a SEVIS data correction to restore your F1 status. If that fails, your last resort of filling F1 reinstatement, a long and uncertain process. This story is a wake-up call for every international student on OPT who is transitioning for H-1B. One delay, one missing letter, and your future in the US can hang by a thread. So what do you think? Should USCIS fix the loophole and protect students from losing the status automatically?